Elegance is the art of simplicity made exquisite, a quiet confidence. In a woman, it reveals itself not only in how she dresses, but also in how she moves, speaks, and makes choices. True elegance is the harmony between the inner and outer self. These 35 items no longer belong in the wardrobe and lifestyle of an elegant, classy woman. Let's explore what to let go of and what to replace them with instead. Stay until the end because I will share 4 bonus tips that will not only elevate your wardrobe, but also refine your overall elegance and personal style. Let's start strong with number 1, overly distressed denim. A little distressing on jeans can add character, but excessive rips, tears, and fraying look messy rather than refined. Elegant women opt for well-fitted, classic denim that enhances their silhouette. Number 2, chunky platform sneakers. It may be popular in casual fashion, but they don't align with the polished, sophisticated style of elegant women. Their bulky design can overwhelm an outfit, clashing with the refined style that elegant women typically choose. For a more refined look, women of distinction favor sneakers that are simple, classic, and timeless, pieces that elevate their overall appearance. Number 3, excessive logos. Nothing cheapens an outfit faster than oversized, flashy brand logos plastered everywhere. True elegance is understated. Instead, opt for quality fabrics, structured designs, and subtle branding. Let your style speak for itself, not the label. Number 4, poorly fitting clothes. Classy women never wear clothes that are too tight, too loose, or unflattering to their body shape. Instead, they invest in well-tailored pieces that fit their proportions perfectly. A simple alteration can make an affordable dress look high-end. Number 5, overly revealing outfits. Sophistication is about leaving something to the imagination. Classy women know that being subtle is more powerful than showing everything. They master the art of balancing proportions. If they show some leg, they cover up the top, and vice versa. Number 6, overly trendy pieces. Trends come and go, but elegance is timeless. Classy women avoid clothing that screams fast fashion or looks like it'll be out of style in a few months. Instead, they invest in classic, well-tailored pieces that stand the test of time, like a well-fitted blazer, neutral-toned handbags, and timeless silhouettes that never go out of style. Number 7, cheap-looking fabrics. Nothing cheapens a look faster than low-quality, synthetic fabrics with an unnatural shine. Shiny polyester, see-through materials, or poorly constructed fabrics instantly cheapen an outfit. Instead, prioritize high-quality natural fabrics like cotton, silk, wool, or cashmere for a luxurious feel. Elegant women know that the feel and drape of a fabric make all the difference. Number 8, ultra mini bags. They may seem cute at first glance, but they don't reflect the style of truly refined women. Their tiny size makes them more of a fashion statement than a functional accessory, often leaning trendy rather than timeless. Women with elegant taste tend to prefer bags that are understated, practical, and effortlessly complement their outfits. Pieces that speak of quiet luxury, not passing fads. Number 9, bold, over-the-top sunglasses. While oversized or brightly colored frames can be eye-catching, they tend to draw too much attention and can overwhelm an outfit. Elegant women typically opt for sunglasses that are sleek, timeless, and subtle. Designs that complement their look rather than dominate it. Classic styles like wayfarers, aviators, or simple cat eyes not only offer sophistication, but also enhance the overall appearance without shouting for attention. In the world of refined fashion, less is often more when it comes to accessories like sunglasses. Number 10, wrinkled or messy garments. Nothing can make an outfit look unrefined quicker than dirt, stains, or wrinkles. Classy women make sure their clothes are clean, well-kept, and freshly pressed before wearing them. Investing in a good steamer or iron and caring for your clothes ensures you always look polished. Number 11, fake, cheap, and plastic accessories. Elegant women avoid flimsy, plastic jewelry or accessories that tarnish quickly. Instead, they opt for timeless, well-crafted pieces, even if they're minimal. A single pearl necklace or a dainty gold bracelet can elevate any look. Number 12. Worn out or dirty shoes. No matter how beautiful your outfit is, scuffed, worn out shoes instantly diminish your look. Classy women maintain their footwear, polish their leather shoes, and replace heels when needed. And if you love content like this, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on elegance, confidence, and style. Number 13. Outdated and worn out handbags. A bag covered in scratches, fading, or peeling fabric doesn't align with an elegant image. Classy women invest in structured, high-quality handbags that stand the test of time. Number 14. Overstuffed handbags. An elegant woman never carries a bag that's bursting at the seams. A messy, overfilled handbag can make even the most expensive designer bag look unkempt. They opt for structured handbags with only the essentials inside. Number 15. Sweatpants and oversized hoodies. Comfort is important, but elegance is about being intentional with your style. Classy women know when to swap out baggy sweatpants and hoodies for more polished alternatives. Instead of sloppy loungewear, they opt for well-fitted knitwear, tailored joggers, or structured casual wear that still feels relaxed but refined. Number 16. Over-accessorizing. Statement jewelry can be beautiful, but layering too many bold pieces at once can look chaotic. Instead of layering multiple statement pieces, elegant women follow the less is more approach, choosing one or two quality pieces that complement their outfit. Number 17. Ignoring well-fitting undergarments. Ill-fitting bras, visible panty lines, or mismatched undergarments can ruin even the most stylish outfit. Classy women wear properly fitted, seamless, supportive undergarments and shapewear that enhance their overall look. Number 18. Flashy and distracting patterns. While patterns can be fun, overly loud or clashing prints can take away from a sophisticated look. Instead, opt for subtle patterns like stripes, houndstooth, or monochrome florals that enhance rather than overpower your style. Number 19. Excessively high platform heels. There's a fine line between chic and impractical. Sky-high platform heels may look glamorous, but if you can't walk gracefully in them, they defeat the purpose. Elegant women choose heels that balance style and comfort, ensuring they move with confidence. Number 20. Flip-flops outside the beach. Unless you're at the pool or the beach, flip-flops should be avoided. Instead, opt for sleek sandals, loafers, or ballet flats for a more polished yet comfortable alternative. Are you getting value from this? Don't forget to subscribe for more like this. Number 21. Ripped or distressed tops. These tops may have their place in casual fashion, but they don't fit into the wardrobe of an elegant woman. With their rough edges and worn-out look, they can come across as unkempt or too relaxed for a polished outfit. Women with refined style tend to choose clean, structured tops made from high-quality fabrics and timeless cuts that elevate their appearance and reflect sophistication and attention to detail. Rather than opting for something that looks damaged, they prefer well-made, versatile tops that enhance their overall look with ease and grace. Number 22. Ugg boots. High-class women typically steer clear of Ugg boots as their ultra-casual and often bulky design clashes with the sleek, polished look associated with refined style. While Uggs may offer comfort, they lack structure and elegance that elevate an outfit. Sophisticated women usually opt for footwear that's both stylish and well-crafted. Boots that enhance their overall appearance rather than disrupt it. Number 23. Too many hair accessories. While a simple hair clip or headband can be chic, overloading on bows, barrettes, and scrunchies can make an outfit look juvenile. Classy women keep their hair accessories minimal and sophisticated. Number 24. Gym clothes don't belong everywhere. Unless they're heading to or from a workout, elegant women avoid wearing leggings, sports bras, or gym sneakers as everyday attire. Instead, they opt for casual but chic alternatives like tailored trousers, stylish flats, and well-fitted sweaters. As promised, here are the first 2 bonus tips for you. Always store shoes with care. Don't toss them into a pile. Use shoe trees, dust bags, clear boxes, or store them in their original shoe boxes to protect them from dust and deformation. A well-organized shoe collection speaks volumes about your attention to detail. As seasons change, store off-season items in breathable garment bags. This keeps your current wardrobe clutter-free and ensures each piece remains in pristine condition. Moving on to number 25. Overstuffed pockets. Stuffing your pockets with keys, phones, and other bulky items can ruin the silhouette of your outfit. Classy women use a structured handbag to keep their essentials organized and maintain a sleek, polished look. Number 26. Wearing too many bright colors at once. While pops of color can be beautiful, too many bright shades can clash and appear chaotic. Instead, classy women balance bold colors with neutrals. Think a red blazer with cream trousers or an emerald blouse with classic black pants. Number 27. Neglecting personal grooming. Above all, elegance isn't just about clothing. It's about how you present yourself. Classy women maintain their grooming, from neat hair and skincare to well-kept nails and a confident posture. It's about looking polished without overdoing it. Number 28. Chipped nail polish and over-the-top nails. Extra long, neon-colored or over-the-top nails can look distracting. Instead, well-manicured, clean, and neutral-toned nails always appear sophisticated and put together. Nothing says neglect like chipped or outdated nail polish. Elegant women keep their nails clean and well-groomed, whether they prefer a neutral manicure or a bold, polished look. Number 29. Overly dark or unnatural makeup. Makeup should enhance, not mask. Harsh, overly contoured makeup or extremely bold shades can look unnatural. Instead, refined women enhance their natural beauty with well-blended, soft, and flattering tones that highlight their best features. Number 30. Overpowering fragrances. A refined woman understands that less is more. Instead of strong, overpowering scents, she chooses light, fresh, or warm and inviting fragrances that enhance her presence without overwhelming the room. Just a spritz or two in the right places leaves a lasting, pleasant impression without overwhelming those around them. Number 31. Overgrown and unkempt eyebrows. Eyebrows frame the face, and while trends come and go, clean, well-groomed brows always look sophisticated. Classy women maintain a natural, polished shape that enhances their features without looking overly done. Number 32. A bad attitude. The most important thing a classy woman never wears: a bad attitude. True elegance comes from confidence, kindness, and grace. No designer dress or luxury handbag can replace the power of a warm smile, positive vibes, and genuine poise. Number 33. Excessive fake tan or patchy self-tanner. An overly applied fake tan or uneven self-tanner can undermine the grace of an otherwise refined appearance. Elegant women favor a natural, subtle glow that enhances their complexion without appearing artificial or harsh. Streaks, blotches, or overly deep tones can distract from a polished look and suggest a lack of attention to detail. Instead, women of sophistication embrace their natural tone or choose flawlessly blended, understated tanning products that complement their elegance with quiet confidence. Number 34. Messy or unarranged hair. Elegance isn't just about clothing, it's about the entire presentation. A woman can wear a stunning outfit, but if her hair is greasy, overgrown, or unstyled, it takes away from the overall polished and refined look. Well-groomed hair complements the elegance of her attire and speaks volumes about attention to detail and personal care. Number 35. Choose your words with intention. Sometimes the most elegant women are the ones who say the least. Over-explaining or being overly talkative can detract from your graceful presence. Learn to embrace silence, speak when necessary, and let your actions speak louder than your words. Here are the last 2 bonus tips for you. An elegant wardrobe doesn't just look pristine, it smells nice too. Tuck lavender sachets, cedar blocks, or scented drawer liners into your closet to maintain freshness and protect your garments from moths. Follow the one in, one out principle. For every new piece you add, let go of one that no longer serves your style. It's a simple way to stay organized and keep your style intentional. Avoiding these 35 things will instantly elevate your look and help you present yourself with confidence and grace. Are there other things you believe no longer belong in the wardrobe or overall lifestyle of an elegant, refined woman? Sharing your experiences might help someone take their style and elegance to the next level. I'd love to hear your perspective and share your own style journey. You never know who you might inspire. And if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing. It supports the channel and allows me to keep creating thoughtful content on timeless style, beauty, and elegance. Until next time, stay polished, stay graceful, and let your elegance speak for you.